What's up, guys? So basically I decided to start documenting my kind of journey with learning Arduino. Just finished a different book, but now I'm doing the Arduino project handbook just to kind of figure out what exactly the hell I'm doing, which I have absolutely no clue. But I did manage to make project number 3 from the book here, and so here it is. Basically, it's whoops. That came loose. But basically we're using potentiometers to kind of decide which one of these goes off. So essentially I've got the breadboard, got all the LEDs. These are all I believe what were they, 220 220 ohm resistors, and then it's a 50k potentiometer or potentiometer, whatever the heck the word is. Jumper wires. We got the UNO R3, pretty basic setup. And here's my poverty laptop right here. I'm going to go ahead and post the entirety of the code. This is just code that I got from the website here. But yeah, I'll update the code, and if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to comment and reply, like and subscribe. This is just my first video, so we're going to see how it progresses and if I get any more interesting projects here.